Okay, now that we understand how to place the combined foundations, let us place our CF1 foundations in our plan. So the CF1 is 14 feet 4 inches by 6 feet 4 inches. I have already drawn it up here. You can see the dimensions. That is, from here to here is 14 feet 4 inches, and from here to here it is 6 feet and 4 inches. So this is the rectangle that I have drawn up. Now I'm just going to copy this. There you go. And this time I'm going to hold it from this far end. There you go. And I'll place it at the center of this column. And I know that the structural designer has specified that this end must be 2 feet and 8 inches away from the center of this column. So I'm just going to do a move, select it. There you go. Specify this point. There, move it along. It's going to be 2 feet and 8 inches from the center of that column. There you go. So we have 2 feet and 8 inches from the center of this column to this end. There you go, 2 feet and 8 inches as specified by the designer. Now let's just delete that, and we're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to copy the whole thing. There you go. I'm going to specify the center of this column is the mark point, and go right into here and specify the center is the mark point again. Let me see if the dimension is okay or not. I don't think the dimension is okay because I could not hold the center point, but somehow the snap took on the center point, and we have 2 feet and 8 inches of the margin of the foundation from the center of this column. So we have placed the foundations accurately. Alright, so these are the foundations. This is how we're going to place the combined foundations, and I hope you got to understand how to do that. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you got to learn something new, and thank you very much for watching.